gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel where we'll be learning how to analyze data using SPSS. For today, we are going to learn on how to do the reliability test. The reliability test is done to check whether the questionnaire is consistent or can be dependable. Remember, the purpose of doing the reliability test is to confirm that the items measure the same concepts. Also, the purpose of doing it is to reduce the random errors that can come up in your results. Also, the purpose, it can also help you to decide if the question should be revised or removed. Also, to make your findings more credible when you report them. So, remember this reliability test is a tool that gives similar results when conditions don't change. So even if you repeat it several times, it will give you the same result. There are three main types of this reliability test. Number one is the internal consistency, where the items in a questionnaire must agree, or that you will be using the Cronbach alphas. Then the number two test is the reliability. Same people, where now we are going to use same people giving similar scores at different times. Then we have inter-rater reliability, where different raters score the same thing similarly. So, but for our today's analysis, we are going to use internal consistency, which is mostly used, where we'll be looking at the Cronbach alpha, which is going to test. And the Cronbach alpha, when you are going to do this, remember the Cronbach alpha is the most statistic used to measure the internal consistency. And you are going to interpret this in if your alpha is less than 0.5, remember that's poor. That's a poor result. It means that the items do not fit well together. It will necessitate you to redo the questions. Also, if your alpha is 0.5 to around 0.69, it means it means it's weak. Alpha is weak to questionable, and it's also questionable. It needs improvement. So you need either to revise the questions or to remove those which do not align. 0.7 to 0.79 is an acceptable result. 0.8 to 0.9 to 1, it means that's acceptable, good, or very high. So it's acceptable. It means that the questions are closely related, or they are measuring the same thing. Now, this is how we are going to do the reliability test. So you come here, you can see there is a file. There is file, edit, view data, transform, graphs. So you come to a place called analyze. Here in the analyze section, you click, then you move the scroll down until you find a place named scale. Scale, there is a pop-up. Then you click reliability analysis. In the reliability analysis, you can you click there, then you begin from each variable. Maybe you can begin from any variable that you wish you want to see its reliability. For example, you can look at this variable. So you click the questions under that variable. You select all those questions in that variable. You select. Yeah, that's it. After selecting, you can label the scale, organization, culture. Then after that, you click OK. Then this is our result. The scale, we name that is organization, culture. The reliability statistic is here. The Cronbach alpha is now what we are looking at, which is 0.82. From our interpretation, it means 0.82. It means that's a good internal consistency. It means that the questions are measuring the same thing, or they are closely measuring the same thing. So it can the result can be relied upon, and the number of items which are the number of questions were 7. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That's how simple you can measure this reliability test. In case of any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. So welcome, and see you. Remember to subscribe, remember to share and comment, so that you can be able to get more tests.